In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do your taxes for free on TurboTax. We're going to walk through the process of entering your W-2 information inside TurboTax so you can file your taxes without paying for extra help, as long as your situation qualifies for the free option. This tutorial focuses on manually adding your wage information, which is helpful if you'd rather type everything in yourself instead of uploading documents. To get started, open your return and click on Federal. This is where TurboTax organizes your federal tax information, including income, deductions, and credits. Once you're there, hover over Income so you can see the available income categories. From that menu, click on Wages and Salaries. This section is where you'll enter the information from your W-2 form. Next, click Add another W-2. If you already started entering income before, this lets you add a new employer form. Then click Continue to move forward. TurboTax may give you the option to upload your W-2 or type it in manually. For this walkthrough, choose Type It in Myself. Now, you'll begin entering the employer details exactly as they appear on your W-2. Start with the EIN, which is the employer identification number listed on the form. After that, enter the employer name from box C. Then choose the address type shown on the form and enter the employer's address carefully. It's always a good idea to double check spelling, numbers, and formatting here because even small mistakes can slow things down later. Once that section is complete, click Continue. On the next screen, enter your income and taxes withheld. This is the core financial information from your W-2, so make sure each amount matches the corresponding boxes on the form. Take your time here and enter the numbers exactly as printed, including federal withholding and any other required amounts. After that, enter any less common items shown on your W-2. Depending on your form, this could include special payroll details that don't appear for everyone. If a field applies to you, copy it exactly from the form. If you have remaining fields to complete, continue entering them one by one until everything from the W-2 has been transferred into TurboTax. At this point, you've completed the manual W-2 entry process. Before moving on, review every field for accuracy. A careful review now can help prevent errors, delays, or corrections later. If you have more than one W-2, you can repeat the same process for each one. That's how to do your taxes for free on TurboTax by entering your W-2 manually.